Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today we will unbox and review the Moodies Tea Time box priced at Rs 299 plus 60 for shipping. All products are homemade with love by Divya herself. Freshly made in edible oil and even pure ghee. Even though pure ghee is expensive, food made with ghee tastes so good. Uski to baat hi kuch aur hai, right? Anyways, I should also tell you guys that it is not a subscription box. You can also buy each item separately. So without any further delay, let's start unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. Well, this is our box. It's a normal brown cardboard box and here they have the Moodies logo and it also says Tea Time box. Very nicely packaged. She has put thermocol also. And here are all the items. They have been individually bubble wrapped as well. So this is all that was there in the Tea Time box. We have 6 items in total and these are like a mix of sweet and salty snacks. So the first product here is kachori. I love kachoris and this is the one I can see. So I just had my lunch, so I will not be eating a lot, but I'll taste everything and let you guys know how it tastes. So just a little bit of it. Very tasty. If you have had the Haldiram mini samosas, it kind of tastes like that, but even better than that. Then the second item here is matri. I love Moodies matris. I've already tried them before and they are just amazing. They are just like how we have the homemade matris at our house. They are crispy, crunchy and really tasty. Very soft and tasty. I just love the matris by Moodies, guys. I totally love them. Then we have bakarwadi this time. I have not tried this, but I love bakarwadi as such. And we have the small mini ones here. Amazing taste. Amazing taste. You'll love it. One of the best bakarwadis I have ever had till date. Even though I'm not a native of the place where it is made, but whatever I have tried till date, this is the best. And there are some fox nuts, or as they say, makhanas. I love fox nuts. I feel this has been fried with either ghee or butter, something like that, because it has a very nice taste of ghee or butter. I think it is ghee and it has some salty and chili kind of seasoning as well, because the plain makhanas are very too plain in taste. So I do like the spicy makhanas. So this is the one crunchy makhanas. Then there are thumbprint cookies and chocolates. So this is the chocolate. There are 2 big heart-shaped chocolates here. I will insert a pic right here. I don't want to open this and eat right now. But I have had chocolates by Moodies and they are really good. So I need not try it to know that it is going to be good. And these are the cookies. Let's open one of them and see how they look. This time the cookies are packaged as well individually. Oh, it looks so pretty. It has 2 cute heart-shaped gems kind of things on it. Really pretty. Too good. Amazing. Very tasty. As such, I love Moodies cookies, so I really like it a lot. Too good. Seriously guys, if you like cookies, you must try the Moodies cookies. You will not regret it. So these are all the items in the Moodies Tea Time box. I did like all of them. Just the theme itself attracted me to try it. To be honest, I wasn't much of a tea or coffee person earlier, but the person I live with is addicted to tea. So you know, दिन में 1-2 बार तो अब हो ही जाता है. And I am a huge snack addict. So tea is just an excuse or bahana for me to snack. So I had to get this box to enjoy my tea time. And these specific items you don't find easily in market, especially with the authentic homemade taste. And since I'm working, I don't have the time to learn and make these items regularly. So Moodies is quite a good and convenient option for me. And I get limited quantity also, so I don't snack too much. अभी घर में बनाएंगे तो हर चीज 1-1 kg का बन जाता है, right? I'm being very honest and frank here. It happens with me always. So Moodies I truly liked a lot. Lip-smackingly delicious, affordable, homemade. So not processed and without preservatives and all like packaged food, and the taste of homemade snacks. I so love it. If any of you guys are interested in trying the tea time box or any of these snacks individually, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. There is a giveaway running on my channel, so if you haven't participated yet, then please find the links in the description box. There are amazing prizes to be won, so please do participate. I hope you liked this short and simple video. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.